Hi, this is Harry from Nganda Company. Now I'm going to show you some newest product for you. You can see Nganda Legend 4, this product. And this part is the remote control. And here is the full part. So now I'm going to show you this real model. And now I'm going to show you some details for this product. And here you can see I have put some tobacco inside, for this cloud. Okay, now I'm going to show you this part is the LED screen, and here is button. You want to turn on, you have to press this button for 5 times at first. See, and here is 3 9. The first 9 is the max temperature. We usually set max temperature around 200 degrees, and the max temperature is around 350. This button is bring this up. You can see the first nine, the temperature is up, and this button is bring the temperature down. You can see the first nine is changed, the number. Okay, I said the temperature is around 200 degrees. Okay, here is the remote control. I have to press this button for 3 times before you can smoke. You can see the time is begin. The last 9 is the time. Okay, the time usually is around 3 minutes. If the time is out, you have pressed this remote control for 3 times again. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to use it. Okay, here for 2 person you can use it, and here I will show you amazing. Okay, here is the water.